If you hate grammar, you're probably not going to like this problem. Just joking. We're still in the math world. Before we try to tackle this, let's figure out how to say it. We don't say 6. Instead, we say 6 factorial. This exclamation mark represents the word factorial. But what does it even mean? It just means we're multiplying all the numbers under 6. This is used in many math problems, and you've probably come across it before. For example, 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 5 times 4 is 20. 3 times 2 is 6. 20 times 6 is 120. We can usually ignore the 1 as anything times 1 is the number itself. Same thing for 6 factorial. We know 6 factorial is 6 times 5 factorial, since 5 factorial is just this whole thing. 5 factorial is just 120, and 6 times 120 is 720. Now, when are we actually going to use this? We can use it in combinations, and permutations. More on that in the next video. First, let's know our first few factorials. You'll probably come across 1 through 7 factorial a lot, so it's a good idea to memorize it. 1 factorial is just 1. 2 factorial is just 2. 3 factorial is 6. 4 factorial is 24. 5 factorial is 120. 6 factorial is 720. And 7 factorial is 5040. Now, we can also divide factorials. For example, we can do 6 factorial divided by 5 factorial. Well, we know 6 factorial is 720, and 5 factorial is 120. Zeros cancel, and 72 divided by 12 is 6. But there's a better way to do this. We know 6 factorial is just 6 times 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial, and the 5 factorials cancel out. So we get a 6. Let's try another one. 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial. Well, we know 6 factorial divided by 5 factorial is just 6. And this is 6 factorial divided by 5 factorial times 7. Since 6 factorial times 7 will give us 7 factorial. So, what we can do is we have this whole thing as 6, so we can erase it and we can write 6. So all we have to do is 6 times 7, that's 42. We could write it all out, so 7 times 6 times 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial, 5 factorial cancels out, 7 times 6 is left. I hope this concept made sense to you.